Hi everybody, we're going to take video notes on the 7th grade Common Core. We're going to be multiplying rational numbers. The lesson 2.4 is about multiplying and dividing rational numbers, but this video is just going to focus on multiplying positive and negative decimals. Two main things to remember is when you're multiplying decimals, you do not have to line the decimal point up. You'll get the same answer, but it adds a lot of extra work, which doesn't follow one of the math practices that is talking about doing math efficiently. So do not line up the decimal points. The second part is you're going to include positive and negatives at the end, and you're going to follow those rules that we talked about in chapter 1. And we're going to say that a negative times a negative is a positive. And we're going to say that a negative times a positive is a negative. So two opposites are going to cancel each other out to make a positive, and one opposite is going to make that answer a negative. In example 1, I'm simply going to multiply 25 times 36. When I multiply that, 5 times 6 is 30, carry my 3. 12 plus 3 is 15. And I'm not multiplying by 3, I'm really multiplying by 30, so a 0 goes here. 15, carry my 1. 15, 6, 7. Oh, that was really bad, 7, hold on. I'm gonna get 0, 0, and I have a 9. In my original problem, I have 2 numbers behind the decimal point. So in my final answer, I have 2 numbers behind my decimal point. I can even use estimation. This is about 3, this is a little more than 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So I know my answer is gonna be close to 9. And then I have to do a negative times a positive is a negative. So my answer is negative 9. Probably should go back because there's a lot of computation and check my work. 30, 12, 13, 14, 15, 0, 15, 1, 7, 5, 10. So computation is going to be important here, so make sure that you are attending to precision and you have the right numbers. In example 2, I have 6.3 times 1.06. Now, I'm going to be multiplying 63 times 106. Because the larger number makes it easier to go on top, I'm going to flip the order. 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2, so it doesn't matter which one I put on top. I'm going to get 18, carry my 1. I'm going to get 3. I'm now multiplying by 60. When I add up my numbers, I get 6, 6, 7, 8. But then 1, 2, 3 numbers are behind my decimal point. So 3 numbers are behind my decimal point. That's about 6 times about 1, so I know my answer is about 6. Negative times negative is a positive. So my final answer is this. Again, checking my work for computation error. Attend to precision. Please remember to write everything down that I write down, and make sure you're writing notes in the sides if you have questions or you have clarifying concerns. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.